When will Priya and Harish meet again on a circular track if they are moving at different speeds? So there is a question. The question is there is a circular path around a sports field. Priya takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field. Harish takes 12 minutes. Right? Suppose they both start at the same point and same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet? Okay? All right. How we can solve this question? There is a circular path around a sports field. They both start at same time and same point, going in the same direction. When will they meet again? That means Priya. Priya takes Priya takes 18 minutes. Priya takes 18 minutes. 18 minutes. And Harish takes 12 minutes. Harish takes 12 minutes. 12 minutes, right? 12 minutes. Hmm? So, same starting point, same direction. So, when they will meet again? So, here, since it is a circular path, we have to find out the LCM, right? We have to find out the LCM. That is, they will meet when the faster person gains one full lap over a slower person, right? So, LCM, how we can find out the LCM? LCM of 18 and 12. LCM of 18 and 12. That is 18 and 12. 18 is equal to LCM of 18. So first we'll find out the that is prime factorization of 18. 18, 2, 9, 3, then again 3. So 18 can be written as 3 square into 2, right? Now next one is 12. Next number is 12. That is 12. Find the LCM. That is find the prime factorization of 12. 2, 6, again 2 and 3. That is equal to 2 square into 3, right? 2 square into 3. Now, how we can find out the LCM of two numbers? LCM, that is least common multiple, right? LCM is equal to out of 2 and 2 square, 2 and 2 square, we will take the maximum prime, that is maximum number, that is 2 square. We'll consider the maximum, that's degree, that is 2 square. And next one is 3 and 3 square. We'll take the maximum, that is 3 square, right? Least common multiple. We have to take the common multiple. So the highest power we have to consider. Highest power is 2 and 2 square. The highest power is 2 square. 3 is 3 and 3 square, 3 square. The highest power is 3 square. So it will be 4 multiplied with the 9 is equal to 36. So Priya and Harish meet after 36 minutes. So they will meet after 36 minutes. 36 minutes. So the answer is 36. Right?